Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to have an example on tossing a coin 3 times. Find the probability of getting 3 heads. Step 1, let's list out all the possible outcomes so that we will know what is the total number of outcomes. So after I list out all the possible outcomes when I tossed a coin 3 times, then I will see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I know the total number of possible outcomes. Is equals to 8. So later I will always divide by 8, and out of this 8, for part A, what's the probability of getting 3 heads? You will then see that for part A, probability of getting 3 heads is 1 out of 8, and that is the simplest form. Part B, where I need 1 head and 2 tails. 1 head and 2 tails, 1 head and 2 tails, that will be this. 1 head and 2 tails, I found another one. 1 head and 2 tails. And so, from here, I can see there are 3 out of 8. Yes. So part B, the probability of getting 1 head and 2 tails is 3 out of total number of possible outcome 8. Very good. Last part of the question, at least 1 tail. That means as long as there is 1 tail, I will get it. I will have to count. There's tail here, there's tail here, have, oh, don't have. So for part C, probability of getting at least 1 tail. 7 out of total 8. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.